Welcome to the Mission Federal Credit Union Alarm Clock Pep Rally at Christian High School. Let's bring out the football team. Oh boy. All right, Christian, you guys got a big game tonight. Obviously, playoffs against Otay Ranch. What do you have to do to get the win?
We've had a good week of practice, working hard. We have to go out there, execute plays, and most importantly, play for God.
All right, I'm going to hand you the helmet. You got the sticker. You know what to do. Christian High School. Let me hear you, Christian. Oh boy. So I'm going to say, whenever you see these come out, I get a little nervous. All right, Kate and Alexis, I'm going to call you two over here through the bubble balls. All right, Kate, Alexis, tell me what's going on here.
Okay, so they're in the bubble soccer things, and they're going to start in the middle and run around the cone, and then come back to the middle, and then go around the next cone, and then come back to the middle, and go around every cone once. And the first person back to the middle wins!
Okay, so, are you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You're ready? Are you ready?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. How about you?
Yes.
Okay, careful of those glasses. Okay, next, you ready?
So ready.
So, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yes, okay. You guys are ready? Careful. Okay, on your marks. Get set. Go. Cheer him on, guys. Oh, no. Oh, my God. The heartburn might be getting back up. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. And we've lost a shoe. There we go. I don't know. Do we have a winner? Well, there you have it. I don't know if we have a winner, but I'm going to make sure they all get some gift cards, and I'm going to stay out of the way. Guys, let's give it up for them. That was pretty good. Now, Alexis. There has to be something that really gets this crowd pumped up.
Okay, yeah, for sure. One of our favorite cheers is called Red Hot, and we can do that right now for you if you want.
Oh, I think we need to get them pumped up.
What do you want me to do?
Our team is what? Our team is R-E-T. Give a little bit of H-O-T-O, baby. R-E-T, red H-O-T, red hot, red hot, red hot. Oh, boy. Let me see. Can we do it one more time? Let's do it one more time.
Hey, guys, one more time.
R-E-T. Christian High School. Let me get you guys up.